Mom. Oh, sorry, it's connected. It's recording. Like, it's recording. Like, I told you. Okay. My mom and dad are in here right now. They want to hear me sing on YouTube, so I'm gonna do it for them. And I'm really nervous. They don't want to be on camera. They're too chicken. They love me very much. They're too chicken. I'm gonna be singing the Lazy Song by Bruno Mars. And hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and comment. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna keep my feet up and stare at the fan. Turn the TV on from my hands in my pants. Nobody can tell me I can't. I'm not my house, chilling in my funky, kissing and killing, kissing and doggy, doing that cat fun, the fucking man. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I care. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking them up to leave a message at the top. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. And I wake up to the and I sky very nice. You know I say I'm missing grace. Yeah, I'm missing around and trying to breathe. But my old man will be so proud of me. Sorry, Pops, you'll just have to wait. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Then I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lie in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nope, I ain't gonna comb my hair. 'Cause I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no. I'll just jump to my birthday suit and let everything loose. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. We are picking up phone to leave a message at the phone. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing now. Ooh, ooh, nothing at all. Ooh, ooh, nothing at all. Okay, that was it. My mom and dad are actually doing that to me, and they're making me laugh. Stop it. Okay, so I'm not gonna turn this camera because they don't want to be on camera, but okay, thank you for watching and bye bye.